Good morning, students. Let's begin a new topic, that is a poem. The Children's Hour. It is written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The Children's Hour is the name the speaker gives to an hour in the evening when children spend their time with their parents. Firstly, we will talk about the main characters in the poem. Father, his three daughters Alice, Allegra, and Edith. Now, I would like to ask you one question. What are some of the ways in which you show affection for others? In which you show your love, your bonding for others? You must find out some ways or the ways that you usually use. Write down in your notebook. Now, we will talk about the poet of the poem, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow was born in 1807 and he was an eminent figure in the literary and social life of 19th century America. He was a traveler and a linguist too. He inspired America's artistic culture, and some of his best known poems are The Song of Hiawatha, Evangeline, A Tale of Acadie, and Paul Revere's Hyde. He created myths and classic epics from American historical events. Now I will introduce the poem. The Children's Hour is a poem by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The speaker in the poem describes a usual evening in his life. He can hear his daughters in the room above, talking and laughing. After a while, all three of them rushed into his room. The daughters were planning to give a surprise to his father, as they didn't know that his father already come to know that they are coming to his room. Let us summarize the poem. The Children's Hour is one of the Longfellow's most beloved poems. Although it has received its share of criticism due to its sentimental nature, it concerns a father sitting and working on his study by lamplight at the close of the day, who hears his three daughters whispering and plotting to run in and play with him. They do jumping on him and kissing him feverishly. He plays along and tells them that he will hold them as prisoners in the castle dungeon of his heart forever. It is sweet, intimate, and personal. The daughters' names in the poem are those of Longfellow's own children. So, dear students, with this you will have to read the summary as well as characters for your better understanding. Write down characters and summary in your fair notebook too, and read the poem once, twice, thrice for your better understanding. Thank you and have a nice day.